Let me tell you, these girls have been putting in the work. If you've been following the journey, you're going to notice the growth this week. They survived the windstorm, and not only that, they bounced back even stronger. These girls are turning into straight up monsters. The growth this past week has been explosive, and I can't wait to show you where they are. Let's kick it off with a look at the overall health. The canopy is getting nice and full, the leaves are vibrant green, and you can see how well these plants are stretching now that they're deeper into veg. You can see how the scrog frames are helping and guiding the structure of the plants. These frames aren't just for show, they'll help support future colas and help with light penetration and airflow. With the big plants, you can see I spread them out as much as I could to fill out the screens. The smaller one finally made it to the net, and as you can see, I bent it over last night. But when I got here yesterday, it was probably about this high. So I pulled them under and I spread them out, and I'll keep doing that as the branches keep coming up. I'll probably have another 3.5 weeks before we finally flip the flower, and that'll be sometime in August. Looking closer, I'm not seeing any major deficiencies, no yellowing, no leaf curls, just strong, wide fan leaves. There are some leaves that are being eaten, as you can see down here. There's a leaf there that's being munched on, and well, you kind of expect that because you're out. Actually, there's probably one of the culprits right there. We got some little grasshoppers around here, and I think they're eating the leaves. So, but as I was saying, you're out in the middle of the bush, so you gotta expect to see some leaves being eaten up. So for the bigger plants, I think I'm pretty much done spreading them out. I don't think I'm gonna get much more spread out. This one maybe. There we go. Now, that should probably be about it. I'm hoping some of these shorter branches, especially some of the ones back here, start to catch up to the taller parts of the plant, but we'll see how it goes. Most definitely in the next couple of weeks I have to do a major defoliation. That'll also open them up, help with airflow and light penetration. Once these girls hit flower, they're going to explode. So I want to make sure the airflow is dialed in. Alright, that's it for this week's update. These plants are thriving and things are only going to get more exciting. If you're enjoying these updates, give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment to let me know where your grow is going, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next update. Keep growing, keep learning, and until next time, peace.